Why are we encrypting at all? Well, generally speaking, we want to protect private and business data from being accessed by unauthorized individuals. This applies in general for files, images, your text declaration, customer data, master data, financial data, credit card data, business plans, blueprints, whatever you can think of that is stored on a computer. Unauthorized access can take place locally or remotely. Local would mean someone directly accesses your computer or laptop, smartphone, tablet, or a SD card, flash card, or USB drive. Remote access would be by sniffing into your internet traffic via HTTP or your mail server or any data you have in cloud services or cloud storages. Take surfing on the web as an example. When you access a web page via your web browser, you should be aware of that about 10 visible hops are between your personal computer and an internet server. For a better understanding what it means to surf on the internet, I want to demonstrate something. Therefore, I opened a command console under Windows. If you perhaps not know how to do that, under Windows 7 or higher you can press the Windows button on your keyboard to open the Start menu and type the letters CMD. Then you can simply start the program command prompt. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus R for run and again type CMD and press enter. Under Windows there exists the tool tracert, which is a trace routing tool. Using that tool, it is, simply put, possible to trace the route that an internet packet goes from your computer to a certain internet or web server and to display that route. I will not explain how this tool works in detail. Important for your understanding is, if you surf on the internet, your computer or device, it could also be a laptop, smartphone, tablet, etc., becomes part of the internet, so part of a computer network. If you open the website of a web shop or online bank like Google or Amazon, you do not have a direct connection to their server or computer. However, there is a route from your computer to the corresponding server, which consists of different multiple computers, which forward the request of your computer. Let's take google.com as an example, which is not only used for searches but also for Gmail and the webmaster tools, etc. As you can see, the router of my local network is called Fritzbox. That is the first hop from my PC to the Fritzbox. Next is my internet service provider. And then there are many other servers until after a couple of steps we finally reach the actual server of Google. If you look at this table, it is fair to say there are 6 computers in between I do not know or recognize. But all these 6 computers get in contact with my internet traffic. So think for example of making an online banking transaction. This is transmitted over all these computers. Be aware, depending on the final computer you want to reach, there could be many more computers in between, and at a different time this could be totally different computers. These are not always the same. Routing on the internet works dynamically. In case one of the computers is not available or there would be some faster route, your next request would go a different route. Moreover, these computers between me and my destination are only the ones which can be traced and made visible by a trace route. There surely are various components in between that I cannot make visible at all. These computers could theoretically be hacked or be administered by rogue system operators, etc. And this is the reason why you want your internet traffic being encrypted. Here I do not even talk about the current media coverage of intelligence agencies accessing data of certain internet services.